Hey, my unique followers, it's me, the creative mastermind behind Unique Designs. It's me, Kelly. Just wanted to create a mini video to show you about the Todo app. I've been asked about it, a lot of questions, and just kind of want to give you a quick video on if you wanted to get started, how to do that. And I want to make it perfectly clear. Tedooo, it has not paid me to do this. I'm doing this of my own free will because I see a lot of people have questions and I just want to show you. Oops, don't mind me. Technical difficulties here. So the first thing you do if you want to check out the Tedooo app is go to your Play Store, your Apple Store. It's available on all that. Just go to your search bar. I've already been in here a bunch of times. So just type in Tedooo, the Tedooo app. This is what it looks like when you see it in your Play Store. Now, this is going to be off of an Android. So just click install. For me, it's just open because I already have it. And this is what it looks like for me. Now you'll have you do your login ID, like your email and a password, and then you can fill out some basic information on your profile. See, I've already downloaded the app, so I can't really show you this portion, but I just wanted to show you it. On Tedooo, this is their main feed, so everybody sees this. Everybody talks about happy moments. We get to see all these beautiful crafts. All the handmade stuff, kind of interact with each other. Now you see these pros. That's the paid membership. The membership to join here is free. This is the upgrade. This is the premium membership. You don't have to pay for that. That's optional. Do I recommend it? Yes. But you can start on here as a regular buyer. This is a social media an e-commerce app. So you can go here. This discovers just how you can find things. Like in accessories. Like if you really wanted to narrow down, you can go items. And you get all this stuff to choose from. Like I chose accessories. So this is what you'll find. And you can actually type in what you want. And it will pull it up. These are just like groups. It's how you can find things, all kinds of stuff. Let me click back and go home. This is my home. This is what my homepage looks like for Android. Now iPhone will look a little different. Down here is my orders. So I'm selling on this platform, so this is gonna look different if you're a buyer. I'm buying. That's my orders. Like I've ordered a couple different things off of here and I've not been disappointed. Some of these ladies are amazing. They're really good at what they do. This is what I look like. This is my shop, my back office. This is what it looks like to me. And I have the Pro. So it'll look a little different if you open up shop. But I'll give you more information on how to do that in another video. This one, I just want to go over a couple things, like the groups. This is my inbox. So the little chat down here is your inbox, so it shows you all your groups. Handmade is the largest group I belong to. We have over 50,000, and that can get a little overwhelming. So you control what you want to hear. So just hit mute if it gets too much for certain groups. And you can silence the notifications. You'll still see it in your chat box down here. But you have more control. Like you can create a new group or send a new message. You can do... I always keep my inbox open to anybody. So anybody can message me if you have questions. On the Tedooo or on Facebook. I'm happy to help you. We'll figure it out together. If not, I know a couple more people. Like Michelle, she always spots something for me. Hey, you forgot this. Oh no, crap. Thanks, Michelle. Shout out to Michelle. She rocks. She helps me when I forget things. That's what happens when you have a really good support system in this app. So you got ladies, we all look out for each other. Ladies and gentlemen, we all look out for each other. We all support each other. It's very positive. Now, until next time, my next video, I'll go over a little bit more things. But this is just the basics of Tedooo. So, be you, be unique, and I'll see you next time.